Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. This video is going to be quick. I'm going to let you guys know the hot plays going into tomorrow. I'm going to let you guys know the big opportunity that I see that I believe is approaching where a lot of people can make some money. But you want to be smart. You want to be meticulous. Just because one of those, oh, this is one of those ones, it doesn't mean it's guaranteed. It doesn't mean that it has to happen. It just means it's so much that's in alignment for this to happen that it's one of the ones that you're supposed to just wait for. That's what patience and the real trading and you treating this as a business and being a professional about it comes into play. Waiting for moments and opportunities like this. I'm procrastinating about even making content unless it's moments like this. Not that where every time you see a video of mine, it's going to be, oh, make money. But it's just every time you see a video of mine, I know he just waited for something worth talking about to come and speak about it. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. Because it's like, in the meantime, be repetitive, saying the same stuff over the same stocks. I'd rather just come out. That might be 2 videos a week. It might be 3. It might be every day. It might be once a week. But whenever it's the opportunity is worth it. You know what I'm saying? For you to really be paying attention to what's going on, like right now. Let me go and look at it. Also, before we even get into the video, because I ain't gonna come back to this type of topic, we're gonna be gone. Make sure you praying before you start your trading day. Make sure you asking God for wisdom. Making sure you ask Him for the knowledge or thanking Him for the knowledge, the skill set that you acquire to be able to do what you do. And you're gonna just feel better. It's gonna be smoother. And whenever you don't even win plays, you're just gonna have smaller losses. Like you gotta have something bigger than yourself involved. It ain't gotta be God ain't trying to bring religion nothing like that. But what you want? It could be whatever you got going, but something other than yourself. You know what I'm saying? A mediator between you and the market, something that can make you stand on your principles and hold you accountable, because it's someone, a mediator between y'all, instead of just thinking you in it by yourself. Because God can be in the mix of this too. You feel me? Everything else we do in life, you want to be doing it with Him. So why not bring Him with this? Don't be in a situation where, oh God, please let the stock go back up. I need that. That's my rent money. Don't, because God, that's why you ask for wisdom. He gonna give you the wisdom to think about what Hayes said in the video. Oh, if I would have just put $200 out of my 10K in it, I wouldn't be tripping. My rent money would be good. I wouldn't be caring even if it go up or not, because it's only a little bit of money. But if it do go up, I make a lot of money. If it don't, I lose a little bit. Cool. Simple. Go with the flow of the market. The market's going up, go with it. The market's going down, go with it. Of course, it's going to be little intricacies that goes in the mix of all that. We know that. That's why you're here. You want to learn. But we learn one day at a time. Let's carry on. Because you put all that money into a trade, you know what God's going to tell you. I ain't tell you put all that money into that play like that. You asked me for wisdom and I gave it to you. And you ain't use it. The richest man in the Bible. I don't know. This topic just had me going. The richest man in the Bible was King Solomon. And you know what King Solomon asked for? Wisdom. Because if you got the wisdom, you'll be able to acquire and get anything it is that you want in life. You unstoppable. Let's carry on. So this is what I want y'all to pay attention to, and y'all let me know if I'm making sense. I want to kind of, I want to do less videos, but more valuable. So if I'm only showing up 2 or 3 times out of the week, the video is gonna be pure value, more, you know what I'm saying, less repetitive, and more just whenever it's bangers, opportunities like this. And this not that is 100% gonna happen. It's just something to pay attention to, and a lot of money can be made, nigga. Right here, robotics crave lifts Japan stock market to new highs. So what's the correlation here? Pay attention. Just like Bitcoin, crypto market, uh, inflation reports, earnings, like all this stuff, even forex and all this stuff ties together. These markets, these global markets, Japan stock market, Asian, all these stock markets, all of them tie into one. So just because this is going good though, it doesn't necessarily mean the US market is going to translate, but it's a sign. What makes this even more interesting is that the sector, robotics, AI, right? What's going on in the US stock market right now with robotics, AI stocks? It just had a huge sell off and still sold off, like Oracle, AMD, Palantir. You know what I'm saying? They shot up, went crazy, sold off, and now at the key spots where it can sell off even more, it's still dangerous. That's why I say be safe. Because whenever news like this, they anticipate, and a lot of people gonna be buying, thinking what I'm thinking, and it sells off because it still got more room to drop. The U.S. AI stocks a lot too. Just as much as it could shoot up, it could shoot down just as much. But with this news, and I'm gonna be checking it going to tomorrow pre-market. I want to see Robotics Crave still having this continuation in the Japan market and not then die back down or whatnot. I want to see this continuing after the market open, not just pre-market. I want to see it continuing as well for the first few minutes. You know what I'm saying? First 15, 20 minutes. Let the market settle in, play out, and not get tricked. And what I also want to see the jobless claims report. I want to see the jobless claims report come out better than expected. That's going to help put favor in the AI sector as well. So I'm gonna be watching Oracle, and I told you guys last video to watch this sector. I told you guys this thing is ready to move. Oracle, Palantir, Nvidia, all the AMD. But Oracle, I like to peep out which ones has the most potential, the ones that kind of sold off the most, so I can kind of get the most bang for my buck. And ain't really, you know what I'm saying? The bigger the move, the more I ain't got to worry about getting a lot of the move. You know what I'm saying? I can get in it and get out. So right here at Oracle, this thing can move straight to 216 towards 220, 215, 216. Next level, if it break that, it can go towards 225, 230. So I'm gonna be looking at this. But what it need to hold above is 205, 205 to stay, in a bullish momentum, bullish sentiment. But I know you say 205, 208, that's a long drop. So if it drop below 207.69, 207.60, that's a sign that it's going to drop back down to test near 205 if you want to get out way prior to 205 from 208 right here. Because I already know what you're thinking. Next on the list is Coinbase. I told you guys to watch this stock. I also know that I had said Tesla. I was like, oh, I ain't gonna be watching Tesla. Oh, and I should have been watching Tesla. Oh, even though I ain't tripping over Coinbase, I made money today and it did what I thought it would do as well. But Tesla ended up being a banger today too. And yeah, I just ain't, I just didn't thought it was ready just yet. But anyways, let's take a look. Coinbase right here, this is on track to run up to 284, 285 without a doubt. And if Bitcoin take off another again, a couple thousand or move up aggressively, the market moves up, this thing can move up. We know this is just a drop in the bucket. It's 13 all day. This thing ready to move 30, $40 in a single day. And on a Thursday or Friday is usually when it could do it. But the market, the sentiment, things need to be in an alignment for it to happen. And this sold off so much though, I peeped today that Bitcoin was down, holding down still while this was running up. And a lot of people like to gauge it. As soon as they see Bitcoin drop, they'll try to short this and they'll send this running up because they know people trying to short it because they see Bitcoin drop for sure. Or it's the opposite, vice versa. Psychology of the market, you need to pay attention. Palantir watching. And you already know Beyond Meat. I know y'all wondering about that. That's long. We got that out. We got contracts further out for that. Ain't got shares long term. Just the buy zone. Don't worry about it. 90 cents, $1.25 over there. Buy zone, buy zone, buy zone. I do believe that thing is gonna go much higher, guys. Low risk, high reward, aim small, miss small. You already know what to do. Edge Bob on Instagram at the BH Show _. Feel free to DM me for a one-on-one, anything like that. Feel free to join VIP. Click join on the home page, on the YouTube page, third tier. They give you access to every single stock that we get in and out of. The last tier exclusive is going to give you access to the plays, plus me if you want to learn or something like that. I love you. We out and God bless you.